Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Timothy Reavis, and today I have a little bit of a tip for you on how to get a taste of Siri on your Mac. Now, you've probably heard the rumors that Siri will be coming to OS X in version 10.12, but it's actually possible to enable a little bit of Siri's functionality on your Mac right now. To accomplish this, let's get started by opening System Preferences and going to the Accessibility tab. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list on your left and select Dictation. This requires Dictation to be enabled on your Mac. Now, in here, you'll want to make sure that the Enable the Dictation keyword phrase is checked, and below it you'll see that the default phrase is computer. This is the keyword that you'll say before giving a command to your Mac, and it works similarly to iOS's Hey Siri in practice. You can change this keyword to whatever you like, including the Hey Siri phrase, but that's not really something I would recommend in order to avoid the command to your Mac inadvertently activating Siri on your iPhone. Now, once the dictation keyword phrase is enabled, you can go ahead and click on dictation commands to see a list of the available commands already built in the system. Things like go to the beginning of the paragraph and capitalize this word are available for text editing, but there are some more advanced controls available as well. For example, let's try opening an app with the voice command only. Computer, open terminal. And as you can see, terminal opens. After you've enabled this feature, a menu bar icon appears which displays any voice commands it recognizes to confirm that it is both listening and obeying. Now let's make our own command by clicking the plus sign, adding the command phrase show preferences, and the keyboard shortcut command comma, which brings up the preferences pane of any app. Now, going back into terminal, I'm going to say computer, show preferences, and it executes the keyboard shortcut to open terminal's preferences. Computer, close terminal. I can't emphasize enough how powerful this is once you configure a few commands for your own personal use. For example, I have an Alfred workflow that controls my Philips Hue light bulbs with either a type command in Alfred or simple keyboard shortcut. Here you can see that I have Command-Shift-O to turn on my lights and Command-Shift-P to turn them off. So going back to our list of commands, I can add a new one with the phrase turn on the lights and set it to the keyboard shortcut that invokes my Alfred workflow. And while I'm at it, I'll add another that turns off the lights. So let's test it. Computer, turn on the lights. Computer, turn off the lights. Now, you'll have to take my word for it, but my lights just turned on and then turned back off, all done with the voice command given to my computer. That's pure science fiction built right into OS X with the help of Alfred. Now, for one last demonstration, let's go ahead and create a voice command to paste some text. I want to be able to insert my email in the future without having to type it out every time, so I'll go ahead and enter it here and set the command phrase to paste my email. Now, let's try this out in OS X's Notes app. Computer, paste my email. And there you have it. Computer, quit notes. I hope you find this little taste of a voice-controlled Mac to be a fun and useful way to pass the time until we have full Siri functionality in OS X. The potential behind this means you can tell your Mac to do just about anything by spending a little time and effort configuring this to your own needs. So if you enjoyed this video or found it at all helpful, be sure to leave a like and a comment and subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter for more content. This is Timothy, signing out. Computer, export the video.